Hi, my name is Akindamola Bolajoko Akindayinde. I am your instructor. I'm going to walk you through on how to create 3D text. And we're going to use a text called by, by the name emboss. So we're going to emboss our text, how to emboss our text. So I'm going to get you acquainted with the environment. Number one, we have to create a new page. Here we have a name, which is the title, the precept. We're going to leave it as it is. We have the page size with, we are going to leave all this. What matters is we can change the name to, uh, let's use emboss, as the name implies, emboss. So you could apply it to any text you want to make. So we'll click page orientation. We are using the landscape here. Let's click that. Okay. Here we go. Then we click OK. Are you good to go? Let's go there. Oh, perfect. Now select your rectangle tool, which is here. Draw your rectangle tool and select. We're going to go with this color. You could choose any color of your choice, any background you want to apply it to is a choice. So let's go. Now our text will create another box in it. Then we type our text now, which is emboss. Here we go. Drag it in it, in the inner rectangle tool drawn. Yes, it has to be within the enclave of the inner one. Yeah. So yes. So let's change it the font to impact and let's blow it up. Yes, yes, you drag it. Yeah. Perfect. You just move it with your cursor. Yes. Move it. It's moving. Yeah. So we are perfect with this. So what we want to achieve, we are on the course. So let's continue. Um, the first thing we have to do for us to manipulate our, our text, we have to convert it uh, to curve. So come to bitmap, no object rather, go straight to convert to curve here. Perfect. It has been converted to curve. Now, what is imperative that we have to do now is we have to select both the emboss text and the inner rectangle tool. Can you see both have been selected, both the rectangle tool and the emboss tool. Now we have to trim them. Come here and say trim. Perfect. It has. Now let's create a copy of our emboss. Move it and use your right mouse click to create a copy of it. Yes, here we go. Let's just create another one. Drag it the same process and create another, as many as you want to. Okay, that's this fine. Now, because we're going to use them subsequently, so let's go. So we have to remove the fill color here using this particular tool, and my cursor is on hovering over. So just click using your left click. Yes, perfect. Now we have this. So you have to drag over it to select. Now apply, click the rectangle to inside, apply your fill color, then select it. Select the tool again. Then now we have to convert to bitmap. Convert to bitmap, you can see it right here. Then make sure your anti-aliasing, transparent, whatever this is here is ticked and all that. Then click OK. Yes, it has been converted to bitmap. Now the next thing is to apply our effect, which is the blur tool. Come to effect, choose blur, and use your Gaussian blur. And we're going to use, make sure you're looking at the preview. I don't like this. No, no, I think this is okay. Yeah, I'm using 10 here. It could be 12 with yours, but mine I'm going with 10 here. So just look at the preview and see what it's giving you. So let's go. I'm going to click OK just now. Okay, now I've clicked OK. It has been blurred. So now I'm going to pick one of these that I've created, move it down, then remove, create the outline, use your right button on your mouse to create red outline, then use your left to remove the fill color. Place it and make sure, okay, zoom it to see what exactly you're doing. Then here, let it be on a bit of the black, the emboss you placed on the one, the one on top. Make sure it takes a bit of black and a bit and some part of uh, the one that's been, uh, I mean, the orange color. It takes bit of black. You could see, yeah, it's taken bit of black and majorly down the, yes, majorly the orange color. Perfect. So let's go on. Now what we have to do, the same procedure. We need to now use a tool called intersect. Your intersect will automatically be activated once you select the two. It's not selected, that's why it's not coming on. So you have to select yes. Initially, look at what happened because I'm selecting only this, only the emboss. Look at here, it's not showing. Now, if I'm selecting the two, look at it. Can you see? Automatically comes up here. So it shows that you can now apply your intersect. So now we're applying intersect, not trim. Okay, good. It has been applied. Sorry. Okay, I want to be sure of what I did. So intersect. Now, perfect. The next step is to delete the background, the black background. So delete. Can you see that? Yeah. Let's zoom it in. Yes, perfect. Now you can see the red outline. Now let's move, click on the red outline and move it out. Apply fill color. Yes. Remember, we eventually blur this as well. So what we have to do, we have to convert it to bitmap. Add to bitmap. Make sure it's in 300 and say okay. Perfect. Move it on your, okay. So for you, you zoom it so you could see what you're doing. Let it take a bit of, like the previous step, bit of the black under. Yes, this is good. Yes, this is fine. And now let us blur it. Remember, you have to convert to bitmap before you blur. Now we go to blur effect, but this time around we are using something lower. Okay, using something lower. Let's see, let's be okay. I think 6 should be okay. Could just type it. Let's just punch it there. 6. Okay, then we say okay. Now we use one of this, remove the fill color. Let's apply the outline color first and remove the fill color. Apply it on it. This time around, our fill color, the one we placed on it, will go up a bit. So we could choose the white and the one underneath. So use your shift key to select both. So let's check. You can see the two have been selected. So use your Ctrl Z, undo to take it back. Now, what are we supposed to use now? We are going to use trim. This time around, we are going to trim. Can you see what we achieved? Yes, perfect. I hope you understand how we arrived at this. Now, we are not done just yet. Now, the last one here, we are going to move it in. Okay, sorry, we have to delete the border. Yes. So this will be moved in. And you see, so good. Then we apply transparency tool. Choose overlay. Yes. Then make your overlay to be A. Yes. Here we go. This is our emboss. You can place it on any color of your choice. Okay, let me just create another color. But before we do that, let's group it to be one. Select this and say Control G, Control and G. So perfect, we can move it. Yes. So now I'm going to use red. I'm going to use going to create a red background. I've already grouped it. Sorry. I think yes. Bit of mistake. Then we have to group. It's grouped now. Yes. Then we create copy. Shift and move it. Use your right click. Now you can see we have it right. It's going to take any color, any background. Okay, I'm going to create something. Yes, don't want it to overlap there. Okay, uh, use click this. I'm just changing different color, so don't be scared. You could use. I'm just trying to tell you. We could use different color, you know. Um, okay, can you see? Any color you choose is perfect. So if you have any question, you need to, you need a particular, you have a difficulty in particular, kindly reach me via my WhatsApp, via the contact you have on this module. Yeah, you could send me email on this module so we could talk and probably take you one on one. Thank you for your time. Cheers.